Can we just talk? Can we just talk? Talk about where we're going before we get lost. Let me our thoughts. Can't get what we want without knowing. I've never felt like this before.
Hey faithfuls, welcome back to my channel. Hey faithfuls, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Faithfully Asia, and today I got a good video in store for you guys. I'm going to be reviewing a new unit I received from Royal Wigs, and I'm also going to be testing out some new hairsprays. We're going to put it up to the challenge to test against the Got2B Glued. So if you're interested in learning more about this, stay tuned. Okay, so the unit I'm reviewing today is brought to you by Royal Me Wigs. This is their 14-inch bob. I did request a side parting. Guys, they actually have the option for side parting. Our side part petition worked. So my dolls who like side parts, you can order this in a side part. This is what this unit looks like straight out the box. This is their human hair unit. The knots looks like they're bleached. You're gonna get about 5.5 inches. It's a parting space down the middle. As you can see, the sides are a little less deep. However, you can get a side part that still has some depth. There are the standard 2 combs on the side, 1 in the back, and the removable adjustable elastic band. I'm not gonna do a ball cap today because I just don't feel like it. So I'm gonna just go ahead and try this on so we can get an idea of what the pre-plucked hairline looks like. Okay, come through Royal Me. So I can tell you already, I do love the cut and lay of this unit. My part is on the other side. I usually part on this side, but it's okay. It's a side part. I don't have to struggle and make a new side part. So we're gonna switch it up and I'm gonna have the part on this side. That's cool. Let me look at what this hairline looks like. Not bad. Not bad at all, actually. Let's see if y'all can guess what I'm about to do. Y'all already know I'm about to plug this hairline, but you don't have to, because as you can see, this hairline looks perfectly fine. But your girl just feel like customizing it just a little bit more.
Can we just talk? Can we just talk? Figure out where we're growing. Yeah. Started off right, I can see it in your eyes. I can tell that you want it. What's been on your mind? There's no reason we should hide. Tell me something I ain't got before. Oh, I've been dreaming about it, and it's you I'm on. So stop thinking about it. Can we just talk? Can we just talk about it?
Next, I'm gonna go in with my mousse. I went back to my Lotta Body because I just prefer this mousse better.
Yeah. Some flowers in the room, I'll make sure I leave the door unlocked. Now I'm on the way, swear I won't be late. I'll be there by 5 o'clock. You've been dreaming about.
Okay dolls, so now it's time for me to put this unit on. And guys, my eyes keep watering. I don't know, every time I start to film, my eyes keep watering. If any of you guys know what I could do to stop my eyes from watering, it'd be greatly appreciated. Anyway, lashes. These are my lashes. Check them out on my website, faithfullyasiabeauty.com. Link in bio. Shameless plug. So typically I would cut the lace while it's on the mannequin head, but I'm gonna do it a little different today since I wanna try out the different sprays. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this lace in the back. I always forget to cut this lace. Kinda doesn't really matter, you never end up seeing it. So I have the adjustable elastic band at the second notch. Tuck the comb underneath the elastic band.
Can we just talk?
And this is what it looks like right now. I think I'm gonna take the stocking cap off from underneath so that I don't have to worry about that line of demarcation and blending it.
Never felt like this before. I apologize if I'm moving too far. Can we just talk?
So this is where I want the unit to lay. Let me go ahead and put this hair out of the way.
I can see it in your eyes. I can tell that you want me.
And I'm going to cut this lace straight down the middle.
Oh, I've been dreaming about it, and it's you.
Okay, dolls, so now I was shopping in Target today and I was looking for an alternative spray for Got2B Glue, and I came across several. So today for my test, I'm going to be testing Aussie Instant Freeze Hairspray. I love Aussie shampoo conditioner, so I decided to try this out. This one claims to have a 24-hour extreme hold. I'm also going to be testing out L'Oreal Paris Lock It Bold Controlled Hairspray. Now, this particular one claims to have up to a 48-hour hold. And the third contender is Bedhead Mini Hard Head. And this one just claims to have an extra strong hold. And what I did like about this comes in a tall bottle like this, but I did like this little small spray because I figure if it does work, this will be perfect for traveling because it is 3 ounces. You know, I haven't found this in travel size. I don't think they make this in a travel size. So usually when I travel, I always have to take the gel, even though I prefer to do the spray. So let's keep in mind that these are all hairsprays. These are not intended to glue wigs down, but you know how we do. We repurpose things, and I almost guarantee that Got2B Glue sales have skyrocketed since we've been using it to apply our wigs. So since I don't have no proof that they are Black owned, there's no loyalty here. So let's see if we can find some alternatives. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray each individual section with one of these sprays, and I'm gonna lay it down the way I normally lay my wigs using the Got2B Glue spray. And I'm gonna use the Got2B Glue spray to use it on as comparison. And then I'm going to report back to you guys either later today, tomorrow, or if by chance we really do get a 48-hour hold in 2 days, and let you know the results. So first up, I'm gonna use the Aussie hairspray, and this is the one that says extreme hold 24-hour. And I'm going to put that right here. And I'm going to spray. Now, one thing I will say is this spray is a pretty forceful spray, similar to Got2B Glue. So make sure that you're aiming directly at the hair if you don't want to run it down your face. Now I'm going to take my blow dryer. So it's kind of tacky. I'm going to push this down. Press this in with my comb. Okay, that seems to be dry. I'm gonna move on to the next section. And for this section, I'm going to use the Bedhead Hard Head. Now, I will say it might not be a completely fair comparison because we do know that the sides are harder to hold. Since I'm putting some up here, I'll use up here as the judgment section and not particularly down here, since those do require a little bit stronger of a hold. I like this spray because it does seem to have more control. The spray is not as forceful, and you're more able to direct the spray where you want it to be. Now I'm gonna dry this until it's tacky. Now I'm on the way, swear I won't be late. I'll be there by 5 o'clock. You've been dreaming about it, and I'm what you want. Not so sure about this one. I'm gonna use the Got2B glue spray up here since we are already familiar with how it holds. And for the last section, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Lock-It Bold Control. And this one, like the bed head, doesn't spray as forceful, and that allows you to have a little bit more control on where the spray goes, even though I'm making a mess. I'll clean this up afterwards. Now that feels tacky. They're all dry. I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace off now.
Can we just talk? Can we just talk? Talk about where we're going before we get lost. Let me our thoughts. Can't get what we want without knowing. I've never felt like this before. I apologize if I'm moving too far. Can we just talk? Can we just talk? Figure out.
I'm going to wipe the skin just to clean up any mess. As you can see, these don't look as shiny as the Got2B glue spray. Now I'm gonna tie this down for about 5 to 10 minutes. Be right back. Had it on for about 10 minutes, about to take it off. Let me put my foundation back on my forehead just so the rest of my skin is blending. I'm gonna add some of my foundation powder to the part. I'm gonna use some Motions Radiant Gloss just to add some sheen to this. I did a lot to this hair while adding the glue, so I'm just gonna fix up these edges a little bit.
So stop thinking about it. Can we just talk? Can we just talk about that before we get lost?
So this is the final look for this unit. What do you guys think? Are y'all liking her? I think she's beautiful. And lastly, I will be back in a day or two to let you know how these hairsprays hold up. Okay dolls, it's me again. I'm back with a quick update for you guys. First, I want to let you guys know that I really do love you because I slept in this wig for 2 days. Yep, the hairsprays lasted for 2 days, so that's a good thing. Bad for me because y'all know I hate sleeping in my wigs. So the final result is that all of the hairsprays had about an equal amount of hold except for one. And it was surprising because that was the one that I actually thought will hold out the best, and that one actually gave out first. Yep, you guessed it, the L'Oreal Lock-It. This one didn't last more than a day. It loosened up and it was out of the running. But the other three actually last for 2 days. After the second day, they were loose a little bit in certain places, but they didn't come completely off. It still actually had a decent hold. But I wasn't about to sleep in that wig for about 3 days, so I took it off. So my recommendation is that you can go with either of the hairsprays. You can go with the original Got2B Glue, of course, if you want to, or the Aussie, or the bed head. The good thing about this one is that this one is significantly cheaper than the Got2B Glue. I don't recall how much it was, but I feel like it was only like $2.99 or $3.99 for this big bottle. I'll be sure to link them in the description box down below. And the bed head, this one is a little bit more pricey. This little one was about $5.99. It does come in a larger container similar to the Got2B Glue, and I'm not sure how much it was priced. It may be priced similar to Got2B Glue, or it might even be more. So dolls, if you do decide to try out any of these hairsprays, please be sure to come back and let me know what your experience was with it. And as you guys can see, I'm rocking this hair in a half up, half down. I don't really want to say Kim K because I know she didn't really create this particular hairstyle. This hairstyle is more like a 60s or 70s look, but I know she is responsible for making it popular recently. And I'm happy to report that I haven't had any issues with this hair so far. It's behaving wonderfully. I haven't had any shedding or tangling. And you guys know Black Friday is coming up, and yes, Royal Me will be having a Black Friday sale. For all the details on their sale, be sure to check the description box down below. And if you're not part of the faithful fam, go ahead and hit that subscribe button before you leave. It is always important. Until next time, you guys stay blessed, and if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.